All right, investors, let's get straight to it. Everybody's asking, when will home prices actually drop in 2025? You've seen the headlines, you've heard the chatter at open houses, but let's cut through the noise and talk real data, real trends, and what I think is actually going to happen. First off, mortgage rates. They've been the biggest elephant in the room. We all know rates shot up over the last couple of years, scaring off tons of buyers and even more sellers who don't want to give up their low locked-in rates. The Fed signaling they might start easing rates in late 2024, so heading into 2025, expect borrowing to get a little bit easier. But here's the catch. Lower rates don't automatically mean falling prices. If anything, they might push demand back up, at least in the short term. Now, what about inventory? It's still tight. We haven't seen a flood of new homes and builders are still cautious. So, unless we get a massive wave of new construction, which, let's be honest, isn't happening overnight, supply is going to stay low. That keeps a floor under home prices, especially in those hot metro markets where everyone wants to live. Let's talk numbers. According to CoreLogic and Zillow, most experts are predicting modest price increases in 2025, think 1 to 3% nationally. Some overheated markets like Austin or Boise might see small dips as they correct, but we're not expecting a nationwide crash. And for those of you waiting on the sidelines for a 2008-style drop, that's just not what the data's showing right now. Homeowners have more equity, lending standards are tighter, and there's very little distress selling. But here's where it gets interesting for investors. There are some wild cards. If unemployment ticks up, or if the Fed overshoots and rates stay higher for longer, you might finally see motivated sellers and price cuts in certain areas. Watch for price softness in cities already seeing population outflows or where investors have over-leveraged on short-term rentals. So, my prediction? 2025 is going to look like a balancing act. Some deals will pop up in select markets, especially if you're ready to act fast and have your financing lined up, but don't bet on a dramatic, across-the-board drop in home prices. If you're an investor, stay laser-focused on local trends, keep an eye on interest rates, and hunt for those motivated sellers. Real estate is always about timing and location, so make sure your strategy fits your market. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense real estate insights. Stay smart, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next one.